Your preparation and work for your defense, what you can contribute. Welcome to my video series, Indicted and Facing Prison, Now What? My name is Mark Gladstein, and I understand firsthand how surreal and overwhelming this experience can be. 2006, I too was convicted of a felony and lost my medical license. I'm grateful that I was able to get my license back in 2010, reinstated in full. And subsequent to that, I transitioned from patient care to providing you with crucial information every day so that you can navigate these challenging times. Because with knowledge and preparation, this helps build confidence and put you in a better position for your pre-sentence interview and sentencing hearing. Department of Judge and the Feds, if you've heard rumors, they've been asking questions. Their case is mostly complete, and they have a 98% conviction rate, which means the odds are not in your favor for not going to prison. You probably will go. However, knowledge is power, and now I'm giving it to you and putting it in your hands. Delaying your next step could have severe consequences. Your future is at stake, which is why it's critical to hire a legal team that has a proven track record of successfully defending cases like yours. Don't just settle for someone who has the experience, because the legal team, you need to feel that it's a good fit for you to work with them and vice versa. And this in turn will get you the best possible outcome. Making the right choices today can help you move forward with confidence tomorrow. Should you have a question, do not hesitate to call and consider engaging my services at 240-888-7778. This is your future and your life. You found your legal team. There was somewhere between 12 and 14 questions to ensure that you've picked the right attorneys for you, which we're going to go through on a future YouTube. What does your legal think about the importance of having a well-written personal narrative, release plan, and then working with you to prepare for your elocution? The great answer would be is that if they believe in the narrative, release plan, and you preparing for your elocution, then this is probably a great law firm for you to work for or attorney. But now that you're paying them, please do as they advise. What you can help advocate for yourself, there are things we'll go through momentarily, but learn what character letters are and what goes into them and start requesting them ASAP. Character letters are not like job interview letters. They're letters about your character for people that have known you a long time and can attest to good things that you've done and how out of character this is for these actions, for them to learn about these actions that you did, because they also need to know that you're facing a prison sentence. If you're already at this point and don't have the time to wait for my future videos, give me a call. We can discuss your situation one-on-one. Once again, my number is 240-888-7778. You're going to need copies of all of your personal identification and background information. The interview and conversation with your judge, which is called your elocution, can either decrease or increase your sentence. I guess my question is, which would you prefer, and will you be ready? Don't lie to your attorney, and try not to lie to yourself regarding your charges. It sounds simple, but it's not, because it took me a good 7 years to come face to face really with what I did. Don't lie to your probation officer or your judge, because if you lie to your probation officer who's conducting the interview and they figure it out, they're going to pass on that information to your judge, which is not a good thing. Don't provide false information to your attorney, because the last thing that your attorney wants to be surprised in the courtroom at the last minute. They may feel foolish in being surprised, but you're going to be the one who suffers as your case falls apart. To engage my services or to have your concerns answered, give me a call today at 240-888-7778. This is my personal cell, and I answer and return all of my calls. You can also get additional information on my website at P as in Paul, P as in Paul, R as in Robert, S as in Sam, US.com. PPRSUS.com. I appreciate you taking the time today to tune into my video, and have a safe day. I hope it was helpful.